with Sébastien Bordes. He will present us JavaFX2 in Eclipse.
Thank you all for coming. It's wonderful to see so many people interested by JavaFX. We will talk about how to use JavaFX with Eclipse. Let's see. To begin, a quick slide about me. Who am I? I'm a Java developer in Toulouse, and I'm proud to be. I won't be able to fill Excel file all the day. I don't work for Oracle, and I don't have any stock option. I'm just a JavaFX zealot, but I think that it's an amazing technology, and we will see it later. In my spare time, I work for JReverse framework, which provide a good separation of consoles to build a clear JavaFX application. If you have any question, you can contact me by mail or on Twitter. I will answer. So, to begin, I will give a short overview of JavaFX features. We will see why Eclipse is a great tool to build JavaFX. Then we will try to do 3 demos. The first, to build JavaFX with Maven and M2 Eclipse plugin. The second, to code sample Hello Toulouse application in JavaFX. And the third, to integrate JavaFX widget into an EclipseRCP application. So, have you ever seen a JavaFX2 application? No? You should put your hand up because you are watching one. This is a dot-coding-like presentation, and all the supports are the JavaFX application. I have 2 important things to say. JavaFX is not Java, but JavaFX2 is Java. The first version of JavaFX was written in FXScript, a custom language, which is awful to learn, awful to write, with a lot of indentation. And a few developers have learned it, and it's not a successful framework. So now, in 2012, JavaFX is up. And JavaFX 1, forget it, it goes to the trash at the end of the year. So Oracle has revamped FXScript into a full Java API with the aim of replacing the Swing framework. Later, near 2013, JavaFX 3 will be fully integrated into the JDK 8. Have a look of JavaFX architecture. As developer, we will use only the blue layer, which is the JavaFX public API. The green layer is just an adapter between the public API and the private API of JavaFX. The public API contains more than 500 of classes, so it's not a huge API. In orange, we have the glass windowing toolkit, which is the abstract layer to manage Windows on all the supported operating systems, which are Windows, macOS, and Linux. JavaFX is not mobile yet, but perhaps due to license war, we don't know. I work hard to do it, but it's difficult. JavaFX provides a media engine and a web engine, so you can play video, you can play movies, and you can embed HTML5 page. The most innovative part of JavaFX and the backbone is the Prism engine. The Prism engine will render the JavaFX scene 60 times per second. The Prism engine has some optimization to allow not to rendering the scene twice if nothing has changed. So it's quite performant. The Prism engine rely on hardware acceleration and use OpenGL and Direct3D if they are available. If they don't, it uses Java 2D and we have poor performance. JavaFX, when you launch a JavaFX application, you create a lot of threads. And there is two main. This is the JavaFX application thread, which manage all user events, and the Prism thread, which is called control number. To understand how user interfaces are built, you must always think nodes. This is a node. Every visual component is a node object. Even a square, a circle, a text area, all are nodes. This is the specific object. There is no graphic utility to draw a line, to draw a circle like in SWT. To write graphics, draw a line. But you must also think tree, because your scene is a tree of nodes. The trunk, the root, here is the stage. The stage has one scene. The scene has a root node, which is the parent node, and after you create your user interface. Branches are parent node, called in JavaFX layout, and leaves are control or shapes. You can have a circle, a square, a lot of shapes, primitive shapes. Looking tree, you get. Let's see over JavaFX key features. JavaFX is cross-platform because it runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. JavaFX provides, I forget something. At Java 1 Japan and San Francisco, the Oracle team showed a demo on iPad and Galaxy Tab with JavaFX. It works, but it's complex, quite complex to deploy it. JavaFX offers binding capability, which is a common way to interact with user interface and model. It provides an event handler mechanism, which is based on two phases. The capture phase, which is from stage to node, and the bubbles phase, which is from node to stage. I always say it. There is a web and media component, and of course, JavaFX is compatible with your software factory. So you can use Git, Maven, Jenkins, Sonar, Factory. Use what you want. It's a full Java API. So how to write a JavaFX application? Because it's Java, but we have two new things. Java properties and Java builders that we will see later. JavaFX provides cascading state sheet, a custom implementation of cascading state sheet, because it's not the web standard, it's like. And FXML, which is a way to describe the user interface in XML. Some people are writing a custom implementation of JavaFX in Groovy, in Scala, same graph and without two little other way to write in JavaFX. So let's have a look of Java builders. It's a more concise way to write, to declare attributes on objects. Got an example here. They replace constructors with n parameters, which are difficult to maintain and difficult to read. You can use a reusable generic builder to create a builder, but not build it. And they are extensible. You can extend the default Java builder provided by Oracle. Another key feature is the observable feature and binding. You can listen collection update from javautil.list and javautil.map by wrapping them into observable list and observable map. To do this, you must use a FX collection, which is a wrapper to collection, javautil collection. So everybody knows how to write Java bin with the declaration and getter and the setup, but JavaFX provides a property. A property, you must replace the int primitive by an integer property. You must remap the getter to a property, also the setter, and I will scroll. Excuse me. So, at the bottom, you can see the int property method, which allows to map the value of a property for over layers. So here you have an example of what is a binding. We have a slider here and a circle. When I remove the slider, the circle radius will increase. This is a binding. And the value of the slider is increasing too with another listener, which is here, with a change listener. So now we want to write some JavaFX code. So which view to choose? Oracle provides support for NetBeans, which is quite acceptable, but NetBeans I don't like. Sorry for Oracle, I don't like. Some gurus are working with IntelliJ IDE, not me. For me, the best one is Eclipse. Why? Because it's fast, with SWT implementation. It's free. It has the best code formatter in the world. It is JavaFX capable with FXClipse plugin. It has a good Maven plugin with M2E, an always-on Git integration with Git. It is a developer task-centric with Mailing, and it has another great plugin which is really useful. It's a Sonar plugin. So what else? Let's have a small focus on FXClipse. It's a non-official plugin created by Tom Chindel. So you have its Twitter account and its website. It allows code completion for JavaFX code and for CSS code. It allows two OSGI integration to integrate the JavaFX widget into an EclipseRCP application. So let's start to work. We have some demos. all source code is available on GitHub, so you can take a picture to be resurrected to it. So the first demo in the Maven one. Does everybody knows Maven? Here, a quick example with a simple DOS console. I built the presentation demo. The demo has been effect. It's fine. The demo effect. I can run this the same build into Eclipse. Press the finger. Let's do. Okay. I tried the. No. Excuse me. I must close the application. So I will try. It works. So, command line, it works. Okay. And into Eclipse. It works too. Okay. So, how this is configured? Here you have a Maven builder, which allows Eclipse to run the Maven build. Here you have the pom.xml file, which configure all Maven plugins. I use the Maven Web Start plugin to generate the Maven Web Start package. So you have here the content of the build. With GNLP file that we can run. Sorry, I have to do something. Oh. I have to change this.
Probably change the editor. Yes. Or put it again with the default editor, otherwise we're looking again at the system.
Yes, it's default. So it works. Let's have a look at the second demo. We are going to write a JavaFX application. So we use the FXClips link. So JavaFX project. Let's create a main class. And let's write some code. we must set a title to our stage. Hello. Start must have a scene, so let's create it. I will use JavaFX Builder. With the width. With the 8 and the 2. With the background color. And the root node. But we haven't created yet. We build it. We add the scene into the stage. And we must create a root node. So let's use a stack pane layout. Okay. Let's add a label to our stack pane. And add the label into the stack pane. Now we will try to launch as Java application. Okay, we got our hello into our application. So I will show you the demo with on GitHub. It's not too complex, but it introduces two things, CSS and FXML. So let's here you have an FXML file, which is this part. So the Eclipse title and the text. As you can see, all the properties are the same as Java builders because it's built with Java builders. You can also edit FXML file with Scene Builder, which is provided by Oracle, and offers a with interface. So you can the label. Save, and close. And reopen. Just build. Build it. No. F5. Yes. We have our label here. You can change CSS style. Here I have a default font for the Hello Toulouse label. I can increase its 8 and add more padding. It's a little bit bigger. Let's have a look of the first demo and the last. We are building an EclipseRCP application. So let's create a preview project. We want to create a rich client application. So time is running out, so we will use the default view. Oh, bad idea. We create a new name. Let's push away all SWT content. And let's use FXCanvas. Oh, I missed something. Forget something. We have to import JavaFX package. Now, wait. So we have an FXCanvas. Give it focus. Initialize. Let's do some duplication. Attach this one. Okay, time is running out, so I will just show you the demo finished. Okay. You have a web browser with HTML5 demo, a movie, a pie chart, and a picture that you can change. So thank you. Do you have any questions?